Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we use Poco phone Wi-Fi setting. Guys, you want to use guys your Poco phone Wi-Fi setting guys. So how can you use guys one by one, step by step guys. I will show you guys in this video your Poco phone Wi-Fi setting and how can you use it. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon and don't skip the video guys. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to use Wi-Fi setting. First of all guys we will scroll and we will click on Wi-Fi. So when you want to use your Wi-Fi setting, so when first of all guys we will have to turn on our Wi-Fi. So when you want to on your Wi-Fi setting, you can on from here guys, and guys you can refresh your Wi-Fi setting from here guys. Guys you want to add any network, so you can add any network from here. Then guys you can connect this network guys. And guys you can see this additional setting guys. You can see guys your test networking, manage saved network guys. You can check from here you have saved any network, and you can use it. And friends, one more thing guys, you want to connect any network, so how can you connect guys? Click on this network and guys you will have to enter only password. So we will enter guys, we will connect this 5G network, and guys we will enter our password by password to connect. Then guys we can use this, and guys you can check your password from here, and guys tap here to connect. Then guys this Wi-Fi will connect in our Poco phone. And friends, you want to share this Wi-Fi network, you can share from here guys. You can use, and guys which network guys you have connected guys, you can check from here this about this Wi-Fi setting. So like that guys you can use it. And one more thing guys, you can see the scan option guys, tap here. You can connect guys Wi-Fi with QR code guys. You can see place QR code inside the frame, so you can connect your Wi-Fi network to scan in Poco phone. So last guys, you want to disconnect this network guys, tap here guys. You can see the forget option guys, tap here to disconnect this network guys. And friends, you can see your Wi-Fi setting guys, you want to off, you can off from here. So like that guys you can use your Poco phone Wi-Fi setting. I hope friends you have understood how to use Wi-Fi setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye guys.